Over the past 12 months we have been doing a budget makeover of Jesse's sister's house just using paint and styling. This weekend we tackled the final room, the master bedroom. We have prepped all the walls and given the dated timber trims and door a light sand. We are using the Easycoat All Walls paint in this gorgeous green shade called Spruce Grove. Now we have done a lot of painting over the years and this has been our favourite paint to work with. It goes on so easily, the coverage is amazing and it has a fast drying time and no nasty odours, which means you can paint a whole room and move back in within the same weekend. Check out this before and after. We can't believe we pulled this off in just one day. It was a big day and night, but we got it all done. As this isn't a huge room and the ceilings aren't very high, we have mounted the curtains to the ceiling to give the illusion of extra height and luxury. We love how calming this colour is, especially for a bedroom space, and we are so glad to get rid of those ugly brown orange trims and door.